This is an instructional video on how to use our referral program. So Foxhound Bee Company loves when their customers refer for us to their beekeeping friends and their friends who love honey. So we have a couple different options for basically earning credit with Foxhound. One is our points program that you get every single time you make a purchase with us. And the other one is your referral program. So I'll show you how to kind of log in to get your unique referral code. So you would go to the email and there's a couple ways you do this, but this is one way. You would click this link and it will bring up our website right here. And then what happens is it will automatically bring up this little Honey Money page right here with some details right here. So this is the referral program and this is the points program. But in order to get your referral code and also see your points balance and all those things, you actually have to have an account. So the way we kind of have it set up is you earn points no matter if you have an account with us or not. They're just associated with the email address that you have on file. So you can either join now or you can click sign in. I'll close this right here using this little X. The other way you can do it is you can click this little man right here and it will bring up a place where you can log in or to it. It automatically brings you to like orders that you've made. So you can see your whole order history associated with that email account. But I'll go back to the website. And there is a little button right here on the bottom and it looks like a present. So if you click that, since I'm already logged in, and you can confirm that you're logged in because it says logged in right here, and then it will have your name. And then it has the details of the points you've earned and the referral. So this video is specifically about the referral money. So if you go to this little pop-up right here, and all that is just this link right here. So this link is associated to your account. So if you share this with anybody and they click through it and they go to our website and then they buy, they will get $10 off. And as soon as they use it, you will get $10 off as well. And that's tracked right here in the app. So you just got to make sure that they use that app before they purchase. So once you have this link, you can put that on social media, Instagram, whatever. You can send it an email. If you want to send it an email, you can just click this button and just add the email address right here, which is actually really convenient. You can click right here and you can go straight to Facebook and you can post it there. But really kind of the easiest thing is just to copy it. And then you can go straight to Facebook and you can say, hey, I recommend Foxhound Bee Company. Here's a link. It gets you $10 off your purchase. And it's really easy to do. So it's an awesome program. A lot of people don't use it because they don't know about it, but who doesn't love just a free discount on products that they were already going to get? So if you have any questions, please just put it in the comments. We're happy to help. But this is a great way to earn some money and save your friends a discount as well and make beekeeping just a little bit cheaper. So thank you so much for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.